It's fun to drive a GTI, but safety is important too. Let's take a look at the assist systems. The assist systems on the GTI will be on your main menu, so you do have to scroll up to find them here. But when you do have them, you can click onto them. To me, they look like they are all on right now because they're lit up in blue. So if you touch anything lit up in blue, then you would see it is active. If you turn it off, it turns gray, and you'll know that that's how it is inactive. So when you turn it back active again, you can even adjust the brightness that you would see in the side mirrors if there's a vehicle next to you and you're trying to get over and it's in your blind spot. You also have a lane keeping assist system. So when this is active, which it is now, as we could tell, they were lit up in blue. This one will keep you in your lane. So if you're trying to get over to the next lane and you do not have your blinker on, this will push you back into the lane because the vehicle thinks that you're swerving. So it's trying to keep you safe. If you do have your blinker on and you're still trying to get over and you're doing everything right, but there's still a vehicle in your blind spot, then this will also still be active and blink at you just to let you know, yes, you're doing everything right and you are able to get over into the next lane, but probably now is not the best time because there is still a vehicle in your blind spot. Then you are going to have your front assist. So this one will do auto emergency braking. If you are pulling up to an object, a vehicle, a person, a car, anything like that, it's going to do an emergency brake on you if it feels like you're going to crash. So it will not come to a full complete stop. You do have to take over control with the steering and the braking, but it will give you that initial wake up call. It will flash some lights at you and give you a loud noise just to let you know that heads up, you might be in a dangerous situation and you need to brake. That one is activated. Then you also have adaptive cruise control. This tab will actually let you adjust the speed that you would be as far as the spacing goes in between you and the car in front of you. So if you'd like to be very close, then maybe you want less space between you and the car in front of you. If you want very far, then you're somebody that wants 5 or 6 spaces. And the adaptive cruise control is on right now and active. And then we also have a speed limit sign on this one as well. So you have a speed alert. So you can do a visual or a visual and an audio. And this one will alert you if you can set it 0, 3, or 5 miles over the speed limit in the area that you're driving in. Then also, if you don't want to click on any of these because maybe like it's not being as sensitive and you don't want to mess with all of this, you have a menu right here where you can click on and you'll have a full list of all of the assist system settings. So you can turn them off here. And if we go back, they're off right here. So if we turn them on here and then we come back to this menu, it's on right there. So anything you do on this menu and this screen will comply with the other. Thanks guys for watching. Until next time.